Can I tell you the biggest lie that I believed for years? I thought that one day I'd feel ready, that confidence would magically arrive. I seriously looked at all of the other people with like, oh, it's the common denominator, confidence. And I thought it was just going to click for me one day, that someday I would wake up and actually know exactly what I was doing, that I would stop doubting myself, and that I would finally launch. That day never came. Hi, I'm Ashley, and if we've never met, I help women build meaningful online businesses around their own experiences. This is the final part of the clarity framework that we teach inside Powerfully Her. Over the last 4 videos, we've uncovered your story, your experiences, your woman, your offer, and now there's only one thing left to take the next step. So most women don't have an idea problem. They have a permission problem. And you're like, permission? What do you mean by that? They're waiting for someone to tell them that they're qualified. They're waiting to feel ready. They're waiting until they know enough. Doing research all the time. So can I be that person today to tell you that if you've lived it, if you've learned from it, that you can help somebody who is 1 or 2 steps behind you, that you are qualified, not because you're perfect, but just because you're honest. I spent years believing that I needed another course, one more certification, one more coach, a better strategy. And every time I learned something, I moved the goalpost. I'll start after I finish this. Maybe this coach will get me to that confidence level that I'm looking for. Oh, I'll launch after I get this one thing done. I just need one more thing. So maybe you've done that too. And the truth is that I wasn't preparing, I was hiding, because preparation feels productive, right? But sometimes it's just wearing a really convincing disguise. I finally did have that breakthrough that I was looking for, though. And everything changed when I stopped asking, what if nobody buys? And I started asking, what if just one woman needs this? Because businesses aren't built serving thousands first, right? They're built by serving one person really, really well. One conversation, one client, one sale, one testimonial, one transformed life, then another, and then another. That is how every successful business starts. So think about everything that we have covered in these past 5 videos. You already have the experiences. You already have the lessons. You already know the woman that you want to help. You already know the transformation. Now, all that's left is courage, not certainty, not perfection, not confidence, but courage. I don't believe that God wastes anything. Not your mistakes, not your heartbreak, not the years that you thought that you were behind. I believe that He allows us to walk through difficult situations so that one day we can reach back and take another woman's hand and help her through the very thing that almost broke us. Maybe that's why that idea of yours keeps stirring in your heart. So if you've watched all 5 videos, I want you to do something. Leave a comment down below that finishes this sentence. The woman I want to help is, and then finish the sentence. I promise I will read every one of them. And if you're sitting there thinking, I know I have something, I'm not quite sure what, but I know that there's something like bubbling inside. I just don't know how to pull it out and put words to it. That's exactly why I created Find Your Thing. It's free, and it'll walk you through everything that we've covered in this series. It'll help you uncover the business idea that has probably been hiding in plain sight all along. The link is down in the description. And I hope that this is just the beginning of your journey.